Hey guys, James Spearoff here. Thanks for coming back to the shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we had the customer Project Zoolander stop by and we got to check it out, so here it is. All right, who are you and what do you do?
My name is Scott Williams. I'm actually a UX designer, but my baby here is Zoolander. It's an 02 WJ Overland, and I'm here at Echelon Design Works today, showing it off and getting some Molle panels for my rear windows.
Sweet. So we just we met on the internet, and he's been following my channel, and he's got this badass WJ. You got an Instagram?
Yeah, Zoolander Project.
Zoolander Project on Instagram. Check it out if you guys are into WJs. Nice. This is an Overlander. So it came a little taller from the factory, right?
A little taller, but I replaced everything with a Iron Rock off-road 4-inch lift, 32-inch KO2s, some 16-inch Pro Comp. It's got factory armor under it, and
That's nice.
pretty much.
Got that cool rack.
Yeah, just got the roller rooftop rack, got the extension on it. I built the shovel and axe holder. I built myself. I just put it together with some parts from Ace Hardware, and got some fist grips for that. Wired up my lights. On the other side is where I got my high lift jack.
Yep.
I built those mounts too. I don't have any welding skills, so everything's bolted together. Yeah, here in the interior, I've got my CB, my ham. Those are wired down under the dash, and if you see down in where the cubby is, I replaced the cubby with a 6-switch.
Oh yeah.
For
your lights
pod
and
I
stuff.
got off Amazon,
Yeah.
and wires it up. I got 2 more USB ports down there for the wife.
Yep.
And then up top, this is the thing I wanted to show you. Is I fabbed up a tech bar that goes into the top fascia of the dash and bolts to the firewall. So it's kind of like the Wrangler bar that they have. Well, they don't make one for the WJ, so I fabbed this up. It's like $30. It's a shower. It's some shower curtain ends.
Yeah.
Some other stuff.
Yeah.
And then I ran power through it, so I've got USB there with a 12-volt socket, and then on the other side of my tablet.
Oh, you got running through the tube. The power?
Yeah, they got the power coming through.
Yeah.
So it comes out the end down there by my phone.
Yeah.
And down the A-pillar underneath.
Yeah.
And actually wires up.
What's that big stick down over there? It's like a
That's my ODB2.
Yeah.
So on my tablet I've got ODB Fusion, so I can actually set up my gauges that match my dash.
Okay.
So I can monitor the torque and the power and all that good stuff.
Sweet, man.
And got my fire extinguisher over there.
So you got power running from over there.
Right, it's on a 100 amp breaker.
Yep.
And that comes all the way over here, and then this is a 6 relay.
So it's a standalone system for all your accessories.
Yep.
Yeah.
All my lights, everything is wired up. The USB ports inside, the tech bar, everything is all on its own.
Yeah, so you're not messing with the computer or anything.
Right. So if it blows, it's only going to blow that stuff. The car will keep running.
Car will keep running. Yeah, nice project, man.
I replaced the headlights because the factory ones are trash. My wife got me some nice projector fog lights to replace the factory. They have halos. They're all haloed. So the next big thing is bumpers and finishing up my.
I do like the look of the stock
Overlander.
bumpers too. So it's like
I do too.
You know,
especially when they're painted like that.
they're so clean looking. You know, it's like it is hard to.
Yeah, I'm really wanting to keep as much of it as I can.
That's why I actually painted mine gray too, because I was gonna do them black, but I'm like, well, it's a limited, and I wanted it to kind of still have that body paint color look thing going, you know. So
up top, I've got each of those rounds is 51 watts each. Oh yeah, I've got quick disconnects on the
sway bars.
On the sway bar.
Yeah.
WJ 8000 shocks. They're a little squeaky, but they're loosening up now, so they're not too bad. Got some square pods for the ditch lights on the hood, and those aren't drilled. Those are just, there's a mount I found on Amazon that lets you hook into the hood.
Oh, okay.
Without,
yeah.
A lot of WJs, you'll see they'll drill the fenders.
Yeah.
So those just hook on.
Oh yeah, like a little. Yeah, that's nice.
Yep. So I got to replace them.
Kind of pinches down underneath.
Yeah, and it's got a rubber thing. They haven't moved. I've taken it through car washes and everything.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, man, nice Jeep.
So I got rock lights underneath. 2 on the sides, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. They're great for camping. So at night when you're out in the middle of nowhere, you turn on the lights, and you get this nice underglow.
Yeah.
You don't go blind from the.
Long back in the day, like in 1990, I used to put these neon tubes under people's cars.
Yep.
Up in Michigan, and like they would all get tickets and stuff. It was awesome. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hammer that notification bell, and leave a comment below. Peace out.